Welcome to the third leg of this journey, episode 4. We are headed from DeLand, Florida to the southernmost KOA in Sugarloaf Key. And you can see over there is Captain Keith. He has joined us for this leg of the trip. If you take a look now, you see that famous blue divider. That's how you know we're heading out to the Keys. Now when you're heading out to the Key West and lower Keys, one of the things everybody looks for is Fred the Tree. There's a book, children's book he has written, and also you know, he's decorated all the time, and he has a Facebook page, so check out Fred the Tree. Here's a picture of him. We have made it to our site at the southernmost KOA in Sugarloaf Key, Florida, the Florida Keys. This is the third leg, the third stop on the Captain and Colonel's excellent adventure. Let's check out the site. We are in site 1005. So this is a site with full hookup, including cable, and you can see very nicely done. There's two sewer hookups in case you have a really long unit. There's one here and one back here. It's got 30, 50, and 20 water and cable. I have everything set up because, as you can see, the weather looks a little threatening on the service side. Over here we have a patio set, and Captain Keith is sitting in that chair. He is ready to start the trip. We've got the camper set up. It was level side to side, so we just had to level it up. You can see we also have a fire pit and a couple Adirondack chairs, and this is our view from our site. We have the beach here. Now this is the beaches. Everybody has access to the beach, and you can see we got the swim buoys out there. There is Route 1. So here we go. This is a beautiful site. Sugarloaf Key does have an awesome pool and tiki bar area, so let's take a look at that. ADA access, full pool with places to sit. And then here you see all the seating at the tiki bar. It's protected by the roof, and they can bring the sides down. Ordered some chicken fingers and French fries, and Keith ordered wings. So at the southernmost KOA, they are building villas. So if you don't have a camper, you could still enjoy all the features of this KOA Holiday. So as typical with a KOA, there's a K9 camp. Here you can see they have grass that never grows that they can use there. You do have some tent camping. How you doing today? Good. So here is the laundry room and the restrooms and showers. And you can see they have washers and dryers. It looks like $225 for them. Here's the restroom. Looks like it's brand new construction. Mirrors. Typical stall. Got some urinal. And then here we have some showers. We have a door for the shower. Very clean with a curtain. And they have some hooks and a little bench. Do have a marina store that also carries beer. And here are their hours, 7 to 5. Fish. Oh man, looks well stocked in here. See if my favorite lure is over there. I promised Callan, the grandson, the 4-year-old, he wants to do some saltwater fishing, and he likes my one jig lure, and I only can find them down here in Florida, and they had it right there. So that's going home for Callan's tackle box. So here's the little channel coming right by the marina store, and of course we got the docks here, but you can see it looks like good water to fish. You may have to do that. I'll check it out and see. Okay, I'd like to talk about the southernmost KOA on Sugarloaf Key and our thoughts on it. First of all, they have a lot of different sites that pull through and back ends. They have some on the water and many off the water. We chose for this site right on the water. This is site 1005. And it's nice. It has a patio area and a fire pit with a couple Adirondack chairs around that. The cost, these sites run from $150 to $165, but we had gotten a discount because we were down here for the Meet Me in the Keys Music Festival. So we paid 25% less, which, you know, with taxes, it came out to about 120 bucks a night. There's a beautiful pool. Tiki bar that has good food. We had wings there and chicken fingers and french fries, and Keith had an IPA and I had an iced tea. The site was perfectly level, so love that. It's right on the water, so if you're nautical, this is another good place for you to check out. We'd definitely come back here again. You know, the bathrooms are nice, the laundry facility's beautiful. They have you know, some game tables, ping pong tables, cornhole, that kind of stuff at the pool area. And they have an area with like hammocks that you can just kind of hang out and lounge. So this is a really nice place to hang out, especially if you love the Florida Keys. We're about 18 miles from Key West and almost right across the highway from Mangrove Mamas, which is a good reference point for you. And of course, the highlight of the drive down going over the 7 Mile Bridge was looking over and seeing Fred the tree. He always likes to greet everybody coming and going from the Florida Keys. There's also a marina, and they have paddle boards and kayaks and all those kind of toys available. They also have pontoon boats and some other boats that you can rent. And there's dockage. If you bring a boat with you, you can put your boat in the dock. And the store is well equipped. They have drinks in there, and beer and ice, and they have live bait if you want shrimp. Or did you see pilchards in there?
There were shrimp, and I don't know what was in the first one. Something, it might have been pilchards.
So we'll check that out if we get to fish at all.
Update from the beautiful Florida Keys. We've got a tropical storm coming in. It's raining a little bit. You see, we've got appropriate gear on. We are headed to breakfast in an inside building instead of an outside building. Reporting live from the Florida Keys. Tropical storm. Alex. Meet me in the key. Is it Alex?
It's gonna be Alex.
Yeah. And future tropical storm Alex. Scott Valentine signing off.
So with that, I'm going to wrap it up. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up. That helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Hey, thanks for watching.